Remove all 7 knobs and rings from the front panel. Open the oven door and remove the 3 screws from under the front panel. Carefully remove the front panel. It's still connected to the unit, so don't fully remove it. Just set it down for now. The display is on the top left corner. Locate the 4 screws around the display and remove them with a screwdriver. Carefully remove the front panel from the display. Set it down for now. Unplug the cables from the display. You'll need to swap the buttons from the old display to the new one, but it's better if you order the buttons because it'll make the installation easier. Carefully remove the buttons from the old display. Put the buttons on the new display. When they click, you'll know they're securely attached. Plug in the blue cable to the far left plug. Plug in the red cable with the RL tag to the far right plug. Now plug the other side of the red RL cable to the plug next to the blue cable. Now plug the red RN cable to the last plug on the display. Carefully put the display into the front panel. Use a screwdriver to secure the display to the front panel. Carefully slide the front panel back onto the unit. Secure the front panel to the unit with the 3 screws from earlier. Close the oven door. Slide the knob ring onto the 2 pins on the front panel. Next, slide the spring into the center of the knob ring. Now slide the knob onto the center pin on the unit. Push down to ensure it's securely attached. Continue to add the rest of the knobs and rings to the front panel. Test all the knobs to ensure they spin freely and easily.